Hi, welcome to Soon. My name is Olaf, and in this video we'll go over a few different things to show you why Soon is not just a workforce management software that checks all the boxes, but in fact is a product that you and your team will really enjoy using on a daily basis. Alright, let's dive in. The first thing we'll do is generate some shifts that we will then use to schedule. So I can just describe my entire situation. I can build it up by clicking this here. Or what I can do is grab one of the standard examples that we have, and if you want, you can still customize this to your liking. So let's go with this one to create a shift schedule for a customer service team with 35 agents. We describe our operating hours, the days of the week that we are open, and how many people we sort of need throughout the shift is left to the AI to figure out. Let's see what it comes up with. Alright, so let's have a look. So we have a customer service shift here. So it did what we wanted. We are open from 8 in the morning till 8 in the evening, and every shift is 8.5 hours, and we have 10 support agents for the early shift, the midday boost, because we said the afternoon is more busy, and we have a shift leader. So I'm pretty happy with this. Let's take it. Now that we have our shifts, we can start to assign people to these shifts. We will do that using the auto scheduler, and I can increase the period to do this several weeks in one go. So let's select all the shifts that we want to schedule, all the people, and then we can set some constraints. So these are the rules that the auto scheduler should follow. And for instance, if I want people to work a maximum of 5 days in a row and have some rest in between these shifts, then if I'm happy with this, I can start the solver. And you see now that we are doing 4 weeks at a time, it will try to fill almost 800 shifts with people, and it takes only a few seconds. So that was real time, by the way. And here I can review what the results are. So I can see that every shift has the number of people. We wanted 10 agents and 1 shift leader, and here I have an overview of how many hours people have been scheduled. And if you have people with different contract hours, so some people working 40 hours, 32 hours, it will take care of all those rules for you. And as you can see, we just did 4 weeks in a few seconds. And if I'm happy, I hit save. And that's how the auto scheduler in Soon works. But not only that, now that we have our schedule, we can even plan what people should be doing throughout their day. So if we go here, we see everyone who is scheduled on this day in the 3 different shifts, and we can open up the AI assistant and explain what we want to schedule. So we can do something like this. We say a 30-minute break for all users. We give it some more rules. So between 3 and 5 hours into their shifts, and not more than 6 people at the same time. So if we do this, we don't have to click things. Then the AI assistant will take this and basically start adding this to our schedule. So you see in just a few seconds it created this, and then we can work with the rest of our schedule. Or of course, if you don't like the AI assistant to do all these things for you, you can also take a more manual approach and just start scheduling what people should be doing. Now, of course, the same goes for the rest of Soon. If you don't like to use the AI or the solver for certain things, you can always modify or schedule things manually. That is completely up to you. Now, on top of all that, there is a lot more for you to discover to streamline your operations with Soon. We have things such as leave management and forecasting. Based on the forecast, you can even do a staffing level requirements calculation to make sure you always have the right number of people per channel. If you are interested in this and want to go over your situation with us in more detail, then sign up for the free trial so you can ask us a question. We'll set up a call, give you a demo, and we will be absolutely sure that not only you, but your entire team will be happy to make the shift to Soon. Thank you very much. Now, next thing you do is sign up for the free trial. Talk soon.